This customer has a narrow style hook bolt that, due to fire code in the city of Chicago, has to be swapped out for an exit device. We're going to utilize a lot of the door's existing prep and install a heavy-duty grade 1 Adams Rite 8400, a heavy-duty dead latch, and heavy-duty exit trim. And their door closer is also installed wrong, so it won't shut all the time. So we're going to get all that fixed for them. Here's the end result. The customer has a new exit device that complies with all the fire code regulations in the city of Chicago. The door closer is fixed. The door shuts smoothly on its own and will latch every time. And they're extremely happy.